Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the workbook and making a backup. This protects your original. Once opened, make sure calculation is set to automatic so formulas update as you edit. Identify which sheets and header rows hold the master data, and note column types like dates, numbers, or text so you avoid format errors when changing values. Now locate the exact cell ranges you will update, and when ready, select the first range to change. That first action begins the process. You proceed by making the actual edits, choosing the right tool for scale. Use Find and Replace for quick swaps, Flash Fill for pattern-based entries, or text to columns to split combined fields. For repeatable transformations, load data into Power Query. It preserves steps and is easy to refresh. Make sure to validate entries with data validation rules and apply conditional formatting to highlight anomalies. Once you've changed a chunk of rows, preview recalculated results. You finish by refreshing any linked queries and recalculating the workbook, then save a version copy so you can track changes. Update pivot tables and charts, and inspect named ranges or external links that might have shifted. If something goes wrong, make sure to use Undo immediately or revert to your backup. When persistent errors occur, use Evaluate Formula to step through problem calculations. One troubleshooting tip: if values look off, check cell formatting and data types first because mismatched formats are the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.